as you can see, I've begun the process of changing these two tracks here. You may recall from the original layout, they joined up here. There was a point there. So what I've done is I've removed that point, put in a piece of straight track, and then I've added in another point here which will take me over to this track, and that will allow access to the storage area down here. So I've already set up these 2 points, and now I'm going to cut the track and then we'll try it out. So now I've got that point installed. We'll just check it. Seems to work okay. And now I'll replace these tracks and get them properly aligned. And that's the whole secret here, is not while you're installing points, don't get them binding up at either end, because that will contribute to some running issues with your rolling stock. So now I've marked up this piece to hook up there. I just want to be careful that I don't pull this too tightly. I may end up having to change a bit of oil back here somewhere. Make sure you wear glasses when you're doing this type of work. Chop off those sleepers and clean up the ends to make sure we get a decent fit. Okay. few extra pieces of tracking in. So now I'll just clean up this end. So much better. Well, I'm very pleased with that. I hope you enjoyed that little instructional video. And remember, I'm not an expert. I've learned along the way to take care and recognise where issues may be, and then try and analyse them and come up with a solution. And I think this is a great example, because if you watch some of my older videos, you see I always had trains jumping off a track, going through some of these points over here. And that's what it's all about, is the alignment of the points in the rail.